I will talk about how can you change language on your Remit app. We will figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign here. So you just click on it. When you just click here in this sign, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, you just go above this sign, click on it. So when you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. Then you click here on your account, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to next step here, just go down. So then you come here to change preferred language, click here on change. In here, so can you change or add any language you want to add, and here can you search for it. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.